Google just dropped something absolutely wild. This is not another code editor. This is not another AI assistant. This is a full blown agent first IDE, and it's changing everything about how we write code. These AI agents don't just suggest code, they plan it, they build it, they test it, and they do it all by themselves. Multiple agents working at the same time, one writing your UI, another testing it, another fixing bugs. This is actually insane, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Okay, so Google just released something called AntiGravity IDE. They just launched the public preview on November 18th, 2025, and developers are losing their minds over this. Here's why this matters. Every other AI coding tool you've used, they help you write code, they suggest things, but AntiGravity, it actually does the work for you, like actually does it from start to finish. So AntiGravity is what Google calls an agent-first IDE. That means AI agents are not just helpers. They're the main thing. These agents are powered by Gemini 3 Pro. That's Google's latest and most powerful AI model. But here's what's really cool now. You're not locked into just Google's model. AntiGravity also supports Claude Sonnet 4.5 from Anthropic and GPTOSS, which is an open source model. Now, there are two main parts to AntiGravity, the editor view and the manager view. The editor view looks like VS Code. You've got your code editor, a side panel. Natural language tasks, pretty normal so far. But the manager view, this is mission control for your AI agents. You can spawn multiple agents, watch them work, see what each one is doing, all at the same time. It's like having a whole team of developers working for you. Okay, so what can these agents actually do? This is the part that blew my mind. These agents have access to three things: the code editor, the terminal, and a web browser. So imagine this, you tell an agent to build a login form, the agent writes the code, opens the terminal, runs the dev server, opens a browser, actually clicks through your login form, takes screenshots, and verifies everything works all by itself. And it doesn't just do one thing at a time. You can have multiple agents running in parallel, one agent building the UI, another agent writing tests, another agent fixing bugs, all working together like a real development team. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but how do I know what the AI is actually doing? This is where artifacts come in. Every time an agent does something, it creates artifacts, task lists, implementation plans, screenshots, browser recordings. Everything is documented, so you can see exactly what the agent planned, exactly what it built. Nothing is hidden. And here's the best part. You can leave comments on these artifacts, just like Google Docs. So if the agent's plan looks wrong, you can comment on it, and the agent will adjust. You're collaborating with the agent. But wait, it gets even better. These agents have memory. They remember past tasks. They remember code snippets you've used before. They remember your feedback, and they get better over time. So if you ask an agent to do something similar to what you did last week, it already knows your style. It just does it better and faster real quick before we keep going. If you want to scale your business and get more customers, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to learn how to use AI strategies and connect with a community of people doing the exact same thing. The link is in the description. Okay, back to AntiGravity. So how do you actually use this thing? First, you download AntiGravity. It works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. You need at least 8 gigs of RAM, but 16 is better. Then you start a new agent. You give it a task in plain English, something like build me a simple to-do app. The agent breaks it down into steps, writes the code, opens the terminal, launches a dev server, opens a browser, tests everything, takes screenshots, and gives you a full report. You can watch all of this happen in real time, or you can go do something else and check back later. You can even spawn multiple agents for bigger projects. One agent does research, another writes code, another handles testing. It's like being a CEO of a dev team, except all your developers are AI agents. So how does this compare to other AI coding tools like Cursor? Here's the thing, Cursor is great for code completion. It helps you write faster, but it doesn't have this multi-agent mission control thing. With AntiGravity, the agents actually do the work. They don't just suggest, they execute, they plan, they verify, they work in parallel. That's a huge difference. Now, don't get me wrong, AntiGravity isn't perfect. It's still in public preview. There are bugs. Some people report crashes. There are rate limits, and you really need to use Git, because if something goes wrong, you might lose your work. Some Mac users are having login issues, and some people hit the rate limits pretty fast, especially on big projects. Google says the limits refresh every 5 hours, but if you're doing heavy work, you might run into them. But here's the thing, this is brand new, it just launched, these issues will get fixed. And even with these bugs, the potential here is massive. Let me tell you why this is such a big deal. We're moving from AI that helps developers to AI that is developers. Right now, if you want to build something, you write the code. Artificial intelligence helps you go faster, but you're still doing the work. With anti-gravity, you're managing agents, you're coordinating work, you're reviewing results, but the agents are doing the actual building. And the browser integration is huge. These agents can actually see your app. They can click buttons. They can fill out forms. They can take screenshots and verify things work. That's not something most AI tools can do. Plus, the artifact system means you're not flying blind. You see everything. You understand what's happening. And the multi-agent setup means you can tackle way bigger projects. So where is this going? I think we're going to see more models added, more integrations, better memory systems, more powerful automation. And here's what I think is really going to happen. The role of a developer is going to change. Instead of writing every line of code, you're going to be managing AI agents, reviewing their work, setting direction. The boring, repetitive stuff, the agents handle that. This frees you up to focus on the creative parts, the architecture, the big decisions, the user experience, and honestly, that's way more fun anyway. Now, I want to be real with you for a second. Version control is not optional anymore. You need to use Git. You need backups. Because if an agent messes something up, you want to be able to roll back second. You still need to understand code. You can't just blindly trust what the agents do. You need to review. You need to verify. The agents are tools. They're not magic. Third, this is a public preview. That means it's not finished. There will be bugs. Don't use this for mission critical production stuff yet. But even with all that, this is still incredible. And it's only going to get better from here. Look, the bottom line is this. Anti-gravity IDE is a big deal. It's not perfect. It's not finished, but it's showing us where we're going. And where we're going is a world where AI agents do the heavy lifting and developers focus on the important stuff. Is it going to replace developers? No, but it's going to change what being a developer means, because the future isn't about writing more code. It's about building better things faster. So should you try anti-gravity? If you're curious about AI and coding, absolutely download it, play with it, see what it can do. Just remember to use version control and don't trust it blindly. And look, this is just the beginning. Google is going to keep improving this. Other companies are going to build competing tools. This whole space is exploding right now, and I'm going to keep covering it. Right. Before you go, I want to tell you about something. If you want to learn how to use AI tools like this, you need to join the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to use AI agents. You'll get 1,000 plus free workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. You'll also get access to a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description. Go check it out and seriously drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about anti-gravity. Would you use it? What would you build with it? Julian reads every single comment, so let us know. All right, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.